Number 7. Dina gave her first concert when she was 13. A. Only. B. Solo. C. Lonely. Welcome to English-Wordology. Don't miss the chance to increase your English words by testing yourself. Let's get started. Choose the correct answer in the following questions. Number 1. Mona has a in physics from Stanford University. A. Degree. B. License. C. Permission. The correct answer is Mona has a degree in physics from Stanford University. What's the meaning of degree? Degree refers to the qualification that's given to someone who has completed a university studies. Number 2. Exercises can have a effect on your health. A. Positive. B. Negative. C. Captive. The correct answer is exercises can have a positive effect on your health. What's the meaning of positive? Positive means that having a good or useful effect. Number 3. Nurses have an importance in looking after patients. A. Role. B. Role. C. Rate. The correct answer is nurses have an important role in looking after patients. What's the meaning of role? Role refers to the position that someone has in a situation or activity. Number 4. Your grades are A. Impressive. B. Impress. C. Impression. The correct answer is your grades are impressive. What's the meaning of impressive? Impressive is to make you admire something. Number 5. I would prefer not to talk about that. It's something very A. Famous. B. Public. C. Personal. The correct answer is I would prefer not to talk about that. It's something very personal. What's the meaning of personal? Personal means that involving someone's private life, such as feelings, health, and relationships. Number 6. He was arrested for driving without A. Absence. B. Essence. C. License. The correct answer is he was arrested for driving without a license. What's the meaning of license? License is an official document that gives you permission to do something. Number 7. Dina gave her first concert when she was 13. A. Only. B. Solo. C. Lonely. The correct answer is Dina gave her first solo concert when she was 13. What's the meaning of solo? Solo refers to something that's done by yourself. Number 8. It's a location for a new school. A. Achievable. B. Suitable. C. Readable. The correct answer is it's a suitable location for a new school. What's the meaning of suitable? Suitable means right or acceptable for a particular purpose or situation. Number 9. They were stuck in traffic and missed their A. Flight. B. Tour. C. Voyage. The correct answer is they were stuck in traffic and missed their flight. What's the meaning of flight? Flight is a journey in a plane or a spacecraft. Number 10. They for the reform of existing political institutions. A. Review. B. Try. C. Argue. The correct answer is they argue for the reform of existing political institutions. What's the meaning of argue for? Argue for is to explain why you think something is true or should be done. Well done! You have completed your quiz successfully. Right now, you have two tasks. The first one is to tell us your score. And the second one is to select one word and put it in a meaningful sentence in the comments below. And don't forget to share this quiz with others to help them to increase their own English words. And stay tuned for a new quiz.